for a moment, but you look at Leipzig, you look at Shakhtar Donetsk, I think they're two sides that you would favour yourself against. They got to the Europa League semi-finals as well, where a familiar name managed to knock them out, capable of beating Leipzig at this moment in time.
Celebrated like a goal by those in the away end.
We never stop. We never stop.
A few moments later.
Guys, devastating. Too hard straight to Silva's line. Andre Silva. This time, silver bullet.
It's pathetic, really.
A quick reminder of the breaking news and disappointing result for Celtic tonight in their Champions League hopes. Excuse me, where does that come from? Yeah, little frog in the throat. Thank you, Derek. That's exactly what it is. Champions League is over. I shouldn't be smiling. It's bad news for Celtic, and they are out of the Champions League. They've been beaten 2.
So no, I can't go and just give you a Lamborghini. That's not the way it works. It's got to be like curing folk and stuff like that. So could you stop Celtic tampering with wee boys? What colour Lamborghini do you want, son?